What's up guys, my name is Andy. You know when you get that new shifter boot for your Mustang that you're excited about, and you go to install the trim ring, and the included screws are not only not long enough to get through the carpet, they're not self-tapping, so you can't even screw into the sheet metal below. So you try to trace it out and drill a hole, and you mess up the carpet, and you get everything all bound up, and you end up not having something that you wanted in the end. Well, what I've got is a shifter boot mount plate that allows you to mount this underneath the boot, and the screws that come with it to mount the plate to the car are tucked underneath the boot, and you can drill those. They're self-tapping. You can drill them into the sheet metal, and then the screws for the shifter trim ring will line right up with this mount and keep everything nice and clean from the outside. So the parts that are included in the kit is the aluminum shifter plate mount that you're going to use these included self-tapping screws to get through into the sheet metal, and this will secure this down to the transmission tunnel. And then I've also got a set of some hardware that will mount the trim ring to the shifter boot. Now this is for the Hurst Shifter Boot. If you've got, there's a lot of common 6.5 inch by 5.25 inch shifter boots out there, but the Hurst one is the one I have in my car. So those come with screws, but I've also got them included in the kit in case you need them. And then we'll just go ahead and mount those to the shifter plate. And in the end, what you'll have is a shifter trim ring that will bolt right up to this mount and keep everything nice and clean, and you won't have messed up your carpet or won't have to worry about drilling through anything. This plate will mount into the car, this will sit on top and clean everything up. So to install this guy, there's no reason to take the boot off. We can just go ahead and slide this over the boot and the shifter knob. Now for the purpose of this video, I had already drilled the holes so it lines up, but you can just take a drill and with a 5/16 bit and these self-tapping screws, they will go right through into the sheet metal, and it'll make it really easy to install. Now once that's in place, again, the nice thing about this setup is that the screws that come with the shifter boot are also included in my kit. They just won't grab into anything, but they will thread right into the shifter plate, so that'll clean everything up. So we'll go ahead and slide on this trim ring, and then we'll slide the boot down. And again, because this is that typical 6.5 inch long by 5.25 inch wide setup, this will work for the Hurst shifter boot that I have here, but there are other brands out there that have the same dimensions. And then this will just thread right into the aluminum plate. Now what's great about this is this works every time. If you ever have to take this boot off because you're taking the transmission out or you're changing with the shifter lever, whatever you're doing, it'll go right back in those same 4 holes every time. You don't have to worry about trying to find where the hole was in the carpet and then in the sheet metal every time you need to service this. So this is an easy upgrade, and it cleans things up and it makes it simple and the same every single time. And just like that, we're done. So you're probably wondering, where can you get this? It's on my website, KruseBuilt.com. This is a part that I'm selling. It's not just for Mustangs, it can be for any vehicle. It's designed to work with the Hurst shifter boot, but there are other brands out there that have that same size. So you want to check that out before you buy. But again, it's designed to work anywhere with those 4 internal self-tapping screws that kind of mount that plate down. Then you can put your trim ring on, and it's the same repeatable installation every single time you need to take that off, and don't have to worry about fighting the carpet and trying to wondering where the holes are in the sheet metal below. So anyways, KruseBuilt.com, get yourself one of those, and while you're there, check out the other stuff I have on my website, and we'll see you in the next one.